In this video, I'll show you how to build a Discord bot on Replit. First, sign into your Replit account and click Create REPL to create a new project. Choose your preferred programming language, such as Node.js, and wait for the workspace to load. Next, open the Replit AI chat inside your project. Instead of writing the code yourself, copy the prompt provided in the description of this video and paste it into the AI chat. The prompt will instruct Replit AI to generate a complete Discord bot with commands, events, moderation features, and the correct project structure. After that, send the prompt and wait for Replit AI to generate the project. Review the generated files and accept the suggested changes if everything looks correct. Now, create a Discord application in the Discord developer portal, generate a bot token, and add it to your Replit secrets or environment variables. Then, click Run to install the required dependencies and start the bot. Finally, invite the bot to your Discord server, test the available / commands, and continue customizing the bot by asking Replit AI to add new features whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to build a Discord bot on Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.